When did you know you were ready to marry me?
You showed me that I could be secure and safe with you and that you didn't want anything from me. I'm Anita.
I'm Keni.
And we've been together 45 years, and we've been married 44 years.
How we met at Venice Beach. She was skating along, being cute, and I was sitting on my bike, and she skated by, and I nodded my head, and she nodded her head, and boom.
I thought it was going to be a one-night stand, and here we are, married for 45 years.
Yeah, it was quite a surprise. You wake up and you go, that much time has passed, and same face.
Do you still like the face that you see every day?
Yes, I do. I really do. Some days it's
Yeah, I was going to say
I
some
look
days.
slowly at it.
How well do we know each other?
Ooh, wee. After 45 years, come on, it's got to be pretty well. Okay. See you later, baby girl.
Wait for me. Hi. I just thought he was so cool. My first impression was he pulled up on this motorcycle and he was sitting there looking all cool, and I was like, I'm cuter than he is.
She was very stunning. She reminded me of like Sophia Loren or somebody. She was beautiful.
What did you do on your first date?
We went for an evening out and landed up spending the night together. It was a really good first date.
I think that was where we got hooked. Well, because we were both players.
Because he's a player, it was obvious.
It was just gonna be a hit and run, check you later.
No, we were both looking for some trouble, and here we both landed up being trouble. I mean, it was exciting. It was like, I couldn't wait to see him again. He rode a motorcycle. He was like the bad boy,
Well, I told her on the second date I was gonna take her someplace she'd never been before. So I took her to my kitchen. And she made fried chicken. It's fried chicken. Come on now. She had me then,
And he'll admit that now, he did.
It was me. And she said that she wasn't ready yet. She was afraid.
He said that he was in love with me, and then here's the other half, that I didn't have to love him back.
I told her she didn't have to love me back.
I didn't say it back for probably a couple months at least.
About 3 months. I waited.
No question.
They like her better, but they respect me.
No, his changes all the time.
Mum's the word. Oh, I can't think of his name. I don't like him.
Tyson Beckford.
I really don't like him.
Tyson, I see you.
Well, I
don't
want to get in trouble.
Being too happy in the morning. He's not a morning person.
I'm all, and she's all like, good morning.
He doesn't want the Pollyanna, hi, good morning. No.
I love it. Makes me start my morning off a little better,
Probably my physical being, yeah.
Everything. I mean, she's got the body, she's got the smile, and she's got the package for me.
Probably his confidence.
I really couldn't say. I don't know. She calmed me down, I guess.
Everything used to stress me out, and now he's like, just relax.
She made me more peaceful.
Definitely. I adore him.
Yes, sir. My only friend. She's the one.
When did you realize you were in love with me?
Oh, I would say within a month. I started to see your face at night when I was sleeping.
That's romantic.
Yeah. And I
don't
said,
think I knew that.
well, you don't know everything. Can you tell me when you were in love with me?
I don't know if you remember this, but when we used to be on the motorcycle and we'd be cruising, and you used to just come back and touch my leg, and I just thought that was so cool, and I was just like, yes, this is my man,
How have I supported you in hard times?
I think the specific moment is when I went through cancer and we heard that word for the first time, and it was like,
That scared me. I had to get on my bike and ride and just go out by myself, and it's like all that fun and games is over. This is life and death. What are you gonna do? So I just sat out there for a while and made up my mind. Stick it out forever.
When did you know you were ready to marry me?
I was tired of playing games. I wanted you by my side.
What is it something about me that makes you feel loved?
It's your being, your whole being, because in a world of turmoil, you seem to stand out like things just fall away from you. They come, but they don't stick.
What do I mean to you?
The world,
The world.
Yeah.
Wow.
you are my world. What do I mean to you?
Everything, honey. You're just like my light. You're my heat source.
Don't start crying. Don't start crying.
Just like you're always there to support me and let me be me, let me fly. I know it's hard and you hate this, but you really mean the world to me. And I don't know if I say that enough to you. I can't imagine my life without you. I mean, our battles and our struggles, and you've always been there and not judging, just loving me regardless, unconditionally.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So I can't imagine my life without you.
Yeah. Vice versa too.
What advice do you have for a new couple when they're getting married?
Learn to laugh. Learn to laugh a lot
Right, I would agree with that.
at life.
And I think you have to really like each other too, be best friends and laugh a lot. Because there's gonna be days when you don't like each other, so
But, yeah.
you know, you have to kind of have that love there, and still it's my best friend and we're gonna argue and we're gonna, you know, get on each other's nerves, but at the end of the day, you're for me and I'm for you.
Right.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. I want you to know that no matter what, if I have it, you have it. I promise to listen more. Even though I may not understand what you're saying, I promise to listen more and try to understand. I look forward to your smile. Every morning, that's the first thing I look forward to. When I see that, I can start my day. Thank you for your love, and I thank you for everything. Totally. You are mine.
I am yours. After 45 years, I have learned that you are authentically who you are unapologetically. To be more like a duck, smooth on the top while you're frantically pedaling at the bottom, and to love and go with your heart. Thank you for loving me unconditionally, teaching me how to love, and saying I love you first.
I feel very lucky to have you. This is officially the longest one-night stand ever, but I'll take it.
I'll take it too.